Hello everyone, welcome to Shafi Tuts. And in this video I'm going to show you how to add a cover photo on your Facebook in PC. So I'm using Google Chrome. You can use any browser you want. Then go to facebook.com. So you can see this is a facebook.com, and then you need to go here. You can see account, so simply click on that. Once you click on that, then you can see the option your name. You will see your name, so simply click on your name, and after that you can see add cover photo. Okay, so you can see add cover photo or create your avatar. You can also create avatar. So if you click on that, then you will see the avatar, many avatar here. So this time I'm going to add a cover photo. So I need to go take picture. I'm just going to download a picture, take picture, so like this, and upload it, save it to my desktop. Now add cover photo and choose cover photo or upload photo. So upload a photo, I'm just going to click and then choose it. So you can see it's loading, so you can adjust it. So I'm just going to adjust like this. Okay, and then save changes. So that's all. It's really cool and it's similar to the profile picture. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.